Hello there. Here we see this Excel user form application. The main features of this application are that clicking the launch button here will pop up a user form that will list our yeah, list the entries from the database. This function we can search for something. Let's say I am gold metal. I click find, and we see that. This information has been filtered here, but now I want to see all the records. Okay. Then we can also enter new data to this already existing database, and primary purpose of this application as per client requirements, that it is reading from some specific file. This data has been coming from an external source and will be transformed into this database. Okay, I delete entire database and we see the database is now empty. Clicking this will pop up the Excel, and let's say I guess this is the record we want to use. Yes, and this has been populated from that selected worksheet. Then we can select a record from here and update the entries accordingly. We can delete a single entry from here. Right, delete button, critical operation. I say yes, I want to delete, and I see the entry has been gone. Okay, and other things that we can enter the date from here. This is a pop-up calendar here. This has been customized to meet your needs. Okay, and this is check number. Here you see the accounts number. That's basically a drop down. uh, Here you see this tab names accounts, and this data is coming from there. We can also manage through this another form. Here we can do the same operation like search, update, delete, or create some record here. Okay. Currently we have only two records here, so this two will be listed here. Okay, then amount and the pay name. Okay, we can set everything to be as a drop down, like payment methods are limited. So say we can have here the drop down list which contains our specific values. But for now, on the requirement of clients, it has been a literal text. We can enter anything here. Here you see the checkbox that is captioned with the apply to all. In this case, want that payments has been made through the cash, and say apply to all, and I update. Okay, and you see entire database has been updated to the cache. Okay, and we made this date empty, so this has been, I uncheck this. Okay, so on date has been entered to the current. Okay, so this utility that is further help us to export to CSV format, uh, because they has to input the same CSV into their another system. This is for integration purpose for their end. Hope you like this video. Please leave your comments in the end of video. If you are a developer and need help with this project or any of these parts, please let me know. I will reply. I will respond at earliest. Thank you very much. Bye.